My name is Michalina. I go to Folsom Middle School, and my video is how to make a strawberry smoothie. My video teaches you how to make a smoothie, including what ingredients you need and all the steps needed to make it. It started out as just a small idea, and then I started filming, testing out different shots, and then huddling up in my bed and editing for about an hour.